Hindi also we have the suffix called guna. Okay, I'm gonna stop sharing and I'm gonna talk about it. So we have this suffix called guna. K with u and then na, which is basically nothing but times. Right? And I'm gonna share it again. And you can use guna for any measurable and comparable nouns that increase or decrease in the amount, strength, or intensity. And throughout the class, you will see multiple examples of that. Yeah. So let's keep going and let's strengthen about the concept of guna. Okay. How do you use guna in your day-to-day life or in different numbers? So you take the number in a very simple way. You take the number and you put guna next to it. Now there are some irregular use of it as well as the regular use. But for simplicity, right now, let's just say that you take the number and you put guna next to it. As simple as if you just take the number 2, I'm going to just say do. Very good. And 4 is, and if I put guna next to it, it becomes, do guna, 3 guna, 4 guna. Because these are any number below 8, there are, there are different ways to say it as well. Because they are used so frequently, do guna, rather than 2 different words, it becomes duguna. Okay, which is same as do guna, and if it is simple, you can simply say do guna, right? So you will hear 2 terms. You can say duguna or you can say do guna. Same thing for this. You will hear tiguna or teen guna. Okay, for 4 you will hear char guna or chau guna. Okay, char guna or chau guna, which means 4 times as much.